guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef B. Today's video is going to be a 101 on how to make your very own wig. So today's hair, I'll be using a Malaysian curly hair from Beauty Forever, and this is the closure that I got. So first things first, you want to sew your closure on first. So I have these wig pins. I forgot the exact name, but you can find them in your beauty supply store, and they're like less than $1 for a whole pack. So I pin the front and make sure that it's straight, and then I pin the very middle in the back. So these pin hold down the closure, so it makes it very easy for you to sew down the closure, and everything just stays snug and tight so your closure doesn't look weird when the wig is actually completed. So now that you see that the line is straight, neat, and tucked, I'm just gonna start sewing with my needle and thread. Make sure that the needle and thread is knotted, of course. And then what I do is I sew, how do I say this? I sew above. Is that the terminology? I have no idea. Then I double wrap and pull tight. So you guys can probably just see it better than I can explain it. So I am no professional, so I'm just showing you guys what I know. So each time I learn a new technique or anything that I learn, I just like to share with you guys. So that is all there is to sewing down your closure, to make sure that it's snug and tight. And then you're gonna just cut your thread. So if you don't know, you don't sew the very front because you're going to cut your what's this called, your dome cap. So don't sew this section here in the front, leave it free. Now when I'm sewing curly hair or I'm creating a curly wig, I double weft my hair, especially since I'm using 4 bundles. So it depends on how full you want the hair. And the thing with curly hair is when you cut the weft, it does shed more. That's what I've noticed. So I try to just double weft and go around and around instead of cutting my weft. So I just start at the nape or the nap of the neck or the dome cap, and I just sew and sew until I reach the very top. So as you guys see, I'm not the best at sewing. So as long as you sew snug and tight, I like to go under and then double knot and then pull tight. And that is how my wigs stay tight. And you also use the same wig pin again to just hold on the hair, so it makes it super easy for you to sew as you go. And that is basically all there is to it. You just keep going. When I reach the very top though, when I get closer to the closure, I do cut the weft, but only like 2 pieces, and that is it. As for this hair, I got 2 18 inches and 2 20-inch in the bundle, and the closure was 18 inches. I feel like bleaching this hair, so you guys can just stay tuned for my next video when I actually style the wig to see if I'll actually bleach it or just leave it in this in its natural color. And that is all there is to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was very informative and helpful. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn that's chef. Everything you guys need to know will be in the description box below. I love y'all for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.